Hey guys, so how you all doing? I wanted to make a very important video with regards to a critical future event that is being played right now, and it will change our reality as we know it. So I wanted to give you a heads up of the world events, and it is 1000% guaranteed that it will happen. But before going to that, I wanted to further explain the last video that I made, and this is a very critical thing that you need to adapt in your life, guys. That we are only after many of us in conspiracy and truth movement have been accused of not providing solution, right? But this channel always will give you solution and nothing else. But it is up to you if you want to adopt it or be left behind, quite literally, and into the clutches of demonic energy, because that is what the end result is if we do not follow the spiritual path with our hands and legs. You need to do certain things, guys. And this cotton seed Ciba penetrata, it is available and you can grow. I would really suggest, one of my viewers had asked if you can grow it. It is you, I would really, that is the thing, you should grow it. It grows in North America. I'm not sure about Europe, but I think it will grow. Nobody tried it, right? But it definitely grows in Asia and Africa and South America and North America. But cold like Sweden and Norway, we have to try it because it is a divine tree, and I'm very sure it will grow if people put an effort to it. But people are we need to find the seed, and you can get the seed in in a like seed site, or if you are someone in Mexico, if you travel to Mexico or Indonesia. I was meaning to go to Indonesia for many other things, but due to this problem I couldn't. But this will be the first thing that I will be growing in my backyard, and it will protect your whole family. Guys, you have no idea how divine this tree is and has been taken away from our consciousness. If you plant this tree, yeah, if you plant this tree, you will be shocked how gigantic this is. The gigantic tree, guys. This is the most, the not the banyan or people tree or the pine tree. It is, there is a reason why Mayas considered this sacred. This is a huge gigantic tree that wherever you saw, it is nothing but a cotton tree, guys. This is the trees, cotton that women are after, which they want to wrap around them to get the spiritual energy from Mother Earth. They are not crazy about shopping, guys. They are crazy about getting the energy from Mother Earth, which this plant provides, this tree provides. And if you grow this in your backyard, I can assure you no negative energy will fall in the entire town. Forget our in your home will be forever protected. That is a personal guarantee from me. Mayans were given this. Mayans were mostly, as I already showed you, the Mayan civilization was totally ruled by the aliens. There were good feminine aliens and then there were reptilians, but feminine aliens were first in Maya, and they made sure that you get all the spiritual energy. But most of the trees were cut down. Like, it is a million, close to a million-year-old conspiracy, guys. So please grow it. I would really insist that if you are watching this, you should grow this, and it doesn't need to be this big. If it starts growing, you can be assured that your life is secured and safe. You don't have to worry. The movie, Tomb Raider movie, Angelina Jolie, that movie they showed in Cambodia, where Angelina Jolie adopted a kid. That huge gigantic tree is Ciba penetrata, guys, a cotton tree. Yes, you can see Ta from home. This is a temple where this tree grow. Cambodia's Tomb Raider temple. So they took this tree and shot a lot of scenes in Tomb Raider movie. So this is a very gigantic tree which grows. Lara Croft Tomb Raider film locations. So this tree, I also used to wonder which is this tree. I thought it is a banyan tree. No, guys, it is a cotton tree. You can see Ciba, a sacred tree. It is the sacred tree of the Mayas. Two kind of Ciba live where the Maya lived. Ciba astofolia and Ciba penetrata. Of these two, the species scientifically known as Ciba penetrata is the one that it seems archaeological thing the ancient Maya held as sacred tree. This was the number one thing for Mayas, guys. By far, I will tell what they think, but this is like a folklore thing, but this is what the Mayans believed about this tree. The ancient Maya thought this tree was the world tree. They believed that this was a Siba that touched all three of the worlds that they thought existed, the upper world, the world of humans, and the underworld, where the tree roots were. The ancient Maya also thought that Siba kept these worlds as the separate levels. Siba trees in art and writing. You can go through it, but I would really suggest somehow to get this gigantic Siba tree, and if you cannot get it, at least try to eat the seed from this. I am very sure it will protect you. Try to take the cotton, any cotton from this, keep it around your home. I am very sure it will. Nobody has tried it, guys. This is the thing that has been hidden from us for thousands of years, close to a million years. But I am very sure we need to grow this. If we cannot, we need to take the pot and keep it in our house. It will protect our home and our family. And you should only wear, as I said, cotton and hemp and all the high frequency clothes, so that you will never have a relationship issue, guys. That is a guarantee from this channel. If you wear cotton clothes and clothes made from hemp and etc., it will create compression, centripetal force, hugging. People will come close to you. They will not separate from you when you wear nylon polyester. As one of my viewers also said that it creates cancer, like nylon innerwear etc. creates cancer in women. So please do not wear petrol. Please do not wrap petrol around your body. You are literally exploding when you wear petroleum based clothes. It is all by design, guys. It is not that they spend for beauty, fashion pageants etc. It is all designed to make the power of women go down. If you are a woman, it is a must. You should wear hemp and cotton clothes only. No petroleum products at all in your life. So within couple of months you will see the difference. I can guarantee you. That's how much deep these people have gone to make sure that we disconnect our life from Mother Earth. So please allow, if you please, I encourage, women to go shopping. But that subconscious mind is hijacked, because that carving of women to go to shopping or be with nature is to wrap the energies of Mother Earth around them, guys. But that that consciousness has been hijacked by the Illuminati, and they send us, not Illuminati's kid, like the aliens, and they send us Zara and Tommy Hilfiger and Chanel and Dolce and Gabbana. So that is not what women actually need deep inside their mind, because it is a million-year-old conspiracy, guys. So that is why I'm keep on repeating how critical it is, because most of our disease is because of a demonic possession. And when we wrap petrol around us, demons have a free reign in our body. That is why we get disease, guys. The number one reason for disease is demonic possession. The number one reason for breakups is demonic possession. So if we have the power of these three, no demons will come around our house. No demons will touch your relationship. They love breaking relationship. The reason your kids hates you, there is a generational gap. That's they program us. There is no generational gap, guys. It is the cloth. I can guarantee you, if you are seeing a couple who is about to divorce, you can ask them, hey, what cloth fabric you wear. I can assure you, they will never be wearing these, hemp clothes or linen clothes or cotton clothes or made from Java cotton. They must be wearing a petroleum base, because petrol create transverse waves, electromagnetic waves. We are literally wrapping ourselves with 5G, guys. They don't need 5G actually. Our body clothing is becoming a 5G antenna, because it creates sine wave, up and down waves. electromagnetic waves, and this creates longitudinal waves, guys. Compression, hugging, more love, less hate. Hate means go away, love means come closer. So I don't want to go to physics terms, but I will use the general terms that we understand. So these trees make us come together. That is why people you know circle around sacred trees, because it binds the a community together. As well, it will bind your family. I'm sorry, I'm saying it many times, because many of the things I cannot, the feelings I cannot convey properly in English, because the depth is so, deeper, and what they have done to earth. So that can only come in English in 40%, guys. So slowly we will, once we able to connect with our heart and minds, it will, the feeling that I am trying to convey will be much stronger. And this is a very strong feeling I have, that you must grow this in your backyard. If you are in United States or Canada or Europe, try to grow it. At least if you cannot, try to buy the clothes, cotton clothes, or try to eat the seed, etc., etc. Not the cotton seed oil, guys. There is kapok seed also. So I'm not talking about cotton seed that you get in the market. There is kapok seed, that there is no oil. You have to buy that and grind it and create oil. There are oil making machine. But in Indonesia there are some companies which are selling kapok oil. So I will inquire it once I make it to Indonesia. So yeah, guys. So this will be kind of my last take on this kapok tree. I will come to the very important topic. This is more stronger the feeling that came to me than the one I like said few years back, that every work on planet Earth will stop because I am seeing 777 and everything. But this is 100 times more assured. I have given the date also. You can take a screenshot, and I can guarantee you the entire world government will go away, guys. You can say goodbye to government, politics, politicians. I can also tell you, you can paste this. Trump is the last president. Modi is the last prime minister of India. All the stuff with regards to democracy, communism, Chinese President Xi Jinping is the last president of China. Entire world, government will collapse. There will not be a thing called politicians and politics. You can safely say today goodbye. Some people were asking, like, what is the exact date? It is easy to, it is a wave, guys. There is not an exact date to predict that it will collapse, because it will collapse like a deck of cards. But it has started. I was meaning to make this video 2 weeks back, but due to the cotton research I pushed it, but I cannot postpone it any longer. So you can safely say goodbye to government, politics within, not even when you get old, within your current lifetime and your current consciousness, like 2-3 years, complete government, politics and politician all over the world will go away. So Modi, Prime Minister of India, is the last Prime Minister of India. Trump is the last, and they have started doing what they do best, creating crisis actor scenes, guys. Watch the moment Secret Service shoots gun-toting man outside White House. This is a completely fake, made-up shooting. You can see this crisis actor getting shot in White House. Full fake drama. This has nothing happened. This is to create chaos in United States, guys. So my point is, be very careful. Prepare. Get food supply at least for 5-6 months. Have weapon if you are in United States. Get bow and arrow. Get fuel for your survival, because these people will not stop, because they are far more deep into what the world is going to than what as human beings have knowledge access to. So please, if you are American, if you are European, generally if you are a human being, something huge is coming, more than corona crap, fake corona. This will create lot of death as well. So please do not fall for this. Donald Trump evacuated from presser as Secret Service shoots armed man outside White House. This is a BS story. They are priming you for chaos, guys. So that is the reason I cannot give you the exact date, because they hold all the cards. But few days before that, like exactly like 2 weeks before, I had this, like feeling. And when that feeling comes, it is done for nothing can, be otherwise, because it is coming from hyperspace and beyond. So this will play out. You can take this, you can save this. And if Donald Trump will, like, if someone Joe Biden, he will not be the president. If there is some other president than Donald Trump, not that caretaker, if they, fake murder him. But if Donald Trump, then there is no one, guys. If it becomes, I will shut down my channel. That is how much I am assured of that he is the last president of United States. And they have started priming you up, guys. Donald Trump evacuated from presser as US Secret Service shoots armed man outside White House. It should have been US service shoots a crisis actor outside White House. Trump abruptly escorted from briefing after shooting near White House. All bullshit. Giant load of crap. He was all drama, guys. Donald Trump briefly evacuated. He said this 8 like 3 days back. Trump, this may be the last time you will see me for a while. How cryptic, right? So few days back he himself said it, that this may be the last time, and then magically a armed man appears without any protection, because he has to be a white guy, right? And just simply walking crazily with nothing to do, no blood coming out, and still being alive. If you are getting shot, you will not be even this, active. Nothing, absolutely nothing happened to this guy. It's just a drama, guys. And he has to be a white guy to create more chaos. So please do not fall for the drama, because everything, and the first country that I really think will be Israel, guys. Yeah. Surprise, surprise. Thousands of Israelis join in renewed anti-Netanyahu protest. It will all sink. When United States collapses, Israel will collapse too. So please don't be under any illusion that Israel will rule. There is a force that is coming, and that is technocracy, guys. There are only two options on planet Earth. It's Google, Twitter, Facebook, all technocrats, Sundar Pichai to Bill Gates, etc., etc. So you can safely say goodbye to government, politicians, and say hello to technocracy. But there is one huge X factor, guys, and that is you. This will be the perfect time, because this phase of planetary takeover is between truth and technocracy, guys. We can take over the planet, because I know how crazy this sounds, but we have a real good chance of taking planet Earth, because this is a very, very fluid phase of transition of lot of energies. So it will be either technocracy or it will be truth. This is the only two game in town in coming months and years. There will not be these things. You can safely bury this and worry about technocrats, Google and Facebook, etc. And they will design the laws. New world order will be based on technocracy. One world government will be based on technocracy. One world army, one world cop. And this is coming, guys. I had the feeling more than the coronavirus thing. So I want you to prepare and not go crazy about protest and all, because my viewers already know those protests are all fake. Thousands of protesters throng Israeli PM Netanyahu's residence, demand resignation. You can see, and many times it has come, but it passes away, right? Nothing happens. But this time really is different, guys. As soon as chaos begins in United States, so will Netanyahu, and Israel will collapse. It will be in sync with this. Antifa terrorist in Austin, Portland just received a large cache of weapons in preparation for coordinated multi-city Tet offensive against America. So they are planning huge civil war in United States, guys. So please be careful. Please do not go out of your home for any kind of protest, but please have guns or weapons or anything to protect you and your family. Please have 2 to 3 months of food, so that even if you have to be stuck at home, please be make friends with your neighbors, etc., and make them aware of the things that are about to hit. So Antifa and BLM will soon be transformed into militias, United States Army themselves acting like Antifa and BLM. So most of the black life people will be murdered already when the real killers come over. So Antifa snipers on rooftop killing police and innocent civilians. I was seeing few days back, the chaos in Portland, Chicago. They are openly looting, guys. The news has not come out, but if you search Twitter, people are openly looting stores, and America is not coming back to even 5 years what it was, guys. It's all over. So please, if you are in United States, this is not what you see. It is, there are lot of cosmic change on a galactic level is happening. What you are seeing is just 5% of it, but it is much better to prepare. So please, guys, please prepare for what is coming. So I wanted to show you how they plan for thousands of years, guys. This is all planned. Lebanon cabinet resigns over Beirut blast. But why Beirut? Why? Because of their favorite number, guys. 33. Beirut is located exactly at 33° north. This is 33 Freemasonic. You will be shocked what comes next. Baghdad, Iraq, 33. As you can see, 33 north. What is next? Syria, Damascus, 33. All these bombed out countries, 33 Syria, 33 Baghdad, 33 Beirut. When this, I didn't know this, I came to know only yesterday when I was researching, because I knew this is not natural. There are a lot of other equations which I will make a video. So I immediately typed Beirut. I knew it is an old city, but I wanted to check it coordinates, and I was shocked it's 33. Then I obviously knew that Iraq, some place in Iraq must be 33 too, and the capital is 33. Then I had to immediately type Syria, guys, and what it's 33. So 33, 33, 33. So you know what's up, right? So yeah, guys, I will not extend this video. Just wanted to say that time is up. You can say goodbye to government, politics, and politicians. You can take a screenshot also because I'm very, very, very confident that this is all going away, and I want you to prepare. And yeah, guys, please get the seed and cotton, etc., for your own protection, spiritual protection. We need spiritual protection, more than material, like with guns and ammunition, because that is the end game. If we cannot protect ourselves from spirituality, spiritual protection, then we have to go with guns. But at this moment, I would say have both. We can't take any chances. So yeah, guys, if you have any doubt with regards to cotton, seed, etc., please let me know. Thanks.